So guys, even though I'm using Windows 11, this will also work on Windows 7. So for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now stop the service. And then once you disable the startup type and you stop the service, you now want to click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Windows. Now you want to find a folder called Software Distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Here it is. You want to double click on it. You want to delete everything in this folder, so just highlight over this and then click on Delete. If you get this, you want to click on Do This for Current Items and then Continue. And if you get something like this, then you want to tick Do This for Current Items and then click on Skip. And then once you've done that, if there's any folders or files that remain, that's fine, you could just leave it. However, I would recommend double clicking on the download folder and then just try to delete everything here again. So for me, on the second try, it deleted most of the things in this folder. So I got this pop up again. I'm going to click on Do This for Current Items and then Skip. And then once you've done that, for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time. Now you're going to click on W on your keyboard. We're going to find Windows Update again. Scroll down, double click on Windows Update. Now make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on Start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you just want to install the update again. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. We're now going to download it manually instead. So now once we're here, you're going to scroll down and then select your language and then click on Download. I got this error message because I'm using Windows 11, but in your case it should now let you install it. You should now be able to install it through here, and then that's how you do it. I would also recommend restarting your computer after you install it, and then you should be good to go.